Looking for a peripheral that will match your all-white aesthetics, is affordable, sure to fit your budget, looks classy, and offers a good performance at gaming? Look no further, because this might be something you'll consider, as today we will be talking about the Galax Hall of Fame Peripherals one by one. Let's start with the HOF Ace gaming mouse. You've seen me review and unbox a couple of Galax GPUs, and this is the first time I'll be checking out their peripherals. At first, you'll see the ergonomic design with cutout hex all over its chassis. It will lessen the weight of the mouse, making it easier to flick, swift, and glide. Very helpful when you play a lot of FPS games. It weighs 84 grams. When it comes to functionality and ease of use, the HOF Ace offers 6 customized macro keys with its 2 thumb switches. Use a Pixart optical sensor with up to 38 dpi, 1000 polling rate, allowing flexibility to its user's preference. It has a textured scroll wheel at the top, and just below that is the DPI switch where you can rotate from different DPI presets with every click. The HOF Ace is also NVIDIA Reflex validated, which offers accurate responsiveness with every click. This mouse boasts a 700 mAh battery capacity that can be used for up to 90 hours of gameplay. Aside from the Hall of Fame Ace, we also got the Hall of Fame Maestro wired gaming headset. It comes in 2 variants, which are both white, but each finish is different. You can either choose from matte or glossy. Besides its performance, I really love how it looks. The build quality is sturdy. Always been a fan of the HOF logo. It looks like a crown. You'll see an embossed logo on each side of the ear cups. The RGB looks fantastic, sweet, just a small rim. I wasn't able to show it to you, but it makes it look clean. For the earmuffs, they use a great breathable fabric and memory foam. It is detachable, so you can clean it anytime or even replace it whenever you want. Just below it is a detachable noise-canceling unidirectional mic, making sure that it prioritizes your voice since it receives the sounds arriving directly in front. Take note that the HOF Maestro is wired, so if you're looking for a wireless headset, you might want to skip on this one. It has a really cute media control with a volume wheel, LED indicator, mute and unmute button for a microphone, and an audio jack, making it compatible with not just PCs, but consoles and mobile devices as well. Lastly, it features a 7.1 virtual surround sound, making sure that it not only looks good, but sounds great too.